So, nandito kami sa Arc of Triumph. Here's the Napoleon Battle. Ayan sila. Yan, Napoleon Battle. Siya pala yan. The very famous landmark. So, ang lapit-lapit na namin sa Eiffel Tower. Amazing Paris talaga. Sa kabila naman, ang ganda ng ano nila, river.
Over there, we're gonna take more pictures there.
Yes. This trip is awesome. I love Paris. The Eiffel Tower is built 1889. Yeah. So we're back here in Notre Dame Church.
That's great.
Here's the Notre Dame Church, built 12th century. This is City Hall of Paris. So we end our tour. We end up here in Museum de Louvre. So 12th century pala itong Museum de Louvre. Tapos ano pala to? Palace of kings. So it's very nice. The whole buildings are the palace and became a museum. Oh, it's raining. So nakita nyo, diba? Sobrang ganda ng mga buildings. Wala kang makitang mga damit na nakasampay.